What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Sam's Diecast Showroom. Today we're going to be opening up some new 2022 Hot Wheels. I got 6 of them right here, and these are like brand new ones from like A case and B case. So let's get right into the unboxings. Let's start it off with the Disney Steamboat. This is from one of the original Mickey Mouse episodes. This is a HW Screen Time car, and this is a B case car. And you can see this is actually similar, but quite different from the 2021 version. This is like, it's like an off-white kind of, like an old style one, compared to the original version right here. But anyways, let's just get this version out of the packaging and see what it's like out of the packaging. That was an easy open right there. Alright, it's, as you can see, it's kind of an off-white. It's not like a complete white like this one is. So this is like the old style, like it appeared right on film in the black and white. This one's more like brownish and like off-whitish. So let's take a nice look at it. You can see the Steamboat right there that actually spins. It's actually the wheel. It's called the Steamboat wheel. And I like those bricks there, very detailed. And some windows right there. There's the interior, dark brown on the pipes and the flags and stuff. I am really liking this HW Screen Time ride. Nice Mickey Mouse Steamboat. And you can take a nice look at that right there. Just an awesome Screen Time ride. I like the Screen Time cars. And hopefully I can score more than one of these in the future for my friends. I have a friend that loves the HW Screen Time cars. And this is made in Malaysia. All these cars are made in Malaysia with a Disney copyright. This is quite a nice ride. Here's a nice new one, the 76 Greenwood Corvette, HW Contoured Series, and this is also a B-case car, and yeah, let's just get this cool Corvette open. This is my first one of these. It has come out a couple years before this, but this is the first one that I have. This is a sweet ride. I like that metal flake color. I think the new one, the new recolor they're coming out with in 2022 is a green one, like a Greenwood Corvette. This is the number 22 on the side right there. You can see that nice tailpipe right there with the yellow striping and Goodyear symbol right there. It's got muscle car 5-spoke rims, MC5, with a nice chrome stripe on them. Those rolled pretty well. And you can see the base code P39. There's the plastic base. Very nice to have this loose. You can see all those sponsors right there. Just a very nice ride. And here's the front of our Corvette, 76 Corvette Greenwood. Greenwood Corvette number 22 there with yellow striping across the top. I like that. I love the headlights. They're called headlights, I think. Yeah. Yeah, imagine forgetting. But look at that. This is an awesome profile for the 76 Greenwood Corvette. Just a sweet ride. Yellow interior, and I like the yellow and dark metal flake blue color theme. And look at those taillights. See, this is your normal Corvette, and this is the wide body right there. So an added wide body on the side, wide body kit, like a customized Corvette. It's basically what a Greenwood Corvette is, I believe. Just a sweet ride to add to the 2022 collection. This is a Legends Champion, the Nash Compact Kings. And this is from B-Case, I believe. And this came out in 2021, but they recolored it in 2022. It was actually the first car released in 2021. Let's see what's going on with this casting. See how cool it really is. You can see that right there. Very nice car. I wasn't able to score the 2021 version. I thought it was kind of ugly, but now I score everything. I just buy everything. But yeah, I like that plastic white base. It's got all skinny 5-spoke wheels. They're all skinny and they kind of like stick out like that, like bicycle wheels kind of. Well, that is a very unique feature on the Nash. You can see the details right there. It's got a crooked engine. It's supposed to be like that. Yep, it says the Nash right there on the grill, or on the front rather. There's the grill. And this is like, I don't know why, but this reminds me of like a 50s vehicle, like a Nash, I think it's an actual car, but I'm not sure. I don't think this is based off of anything, but it shares a name with something that I know. Well, anyways, you can see that nice detail right there with the Hot Wheels symbol and a nice, like, dark periwinkle kind of purple color. And I like the white roof. That is very cool with a chrome interior. Very cool recolor of the Nash. Definitely awesome to see in the main line for 2022. This is the Ford Focus RS, probably my favorite car of this video. This is a HW Hatchbacks car, and this is absolutely sick. I can't wait to get this one open, a B-case car. And I have a couple more variations of it, like this red 5-pack one, and this green mainline one. And I think this is based off the 2016 Ford Focus RS in real life. That was a nice, easy open. And time to take a nice look at this Ford Focus RS. Wow, this is super cool. This is like something that you see, like, I don't even know, like some guy going like 80 miles an hour on the highway. This is a very cool, sporty car and definitely looks very fun to drive. It's got PR5 rims. Those are Phil Redmond 5-spokes. And I love the white. I love the white color on this. I like the RS there. And the Ford logo right in front. Yes, and double striping. Double white striping. It's like a white and light blue color. This is an awesome issue for 2022. Definitely amazing. And it's a nice hot hatch. It's got black interior. Don't know if you can see that. And race bar on the top there. It's a Ford Focus with the RS package. Focus hatchback with a sport package. And not much detail going in the back, but definitely an awesome ride. I'm really liking this one. This is going to be one of my favorite 2022 mainline cars so far. And you can see the base there is identical to my other castings that I have. And I have another one of these red ones in a 5-pack. So I'm going to open up that 5-pack in the future. But that one I just got loose in a lot. Anyways, this is an awesome ride. Definitely my favorite one of this video. And just a sick, sporty, fun to drive vehicle, it looks like at least. Now let's take a look at the Tooligan. This is a B-case car, and it's like hooligan but useful. It's a wrench car, wrench vehicle. Kind of reminds me of the Speed Driver. This is an Experimotors vehicle, and they have 10 Experimotors this year. And you can see that is a wrench and B-case vehicle. Fuel your imagination with the Experimotors. Let's get this open. Not too much glue, so I sensed that I could just pop it right out using that method. And we got Trap 5 rims. I love the color on this vehicle. I love the green that they put on these trapezoid 5-spokes. And good color scheme. I'm liking this color scheme a lot. This has gray wheels with green rims and a nice top. I like the green top. It's kind of like blurred out here, but clean on the other side. All that cyan color you see is going to be the plastic part. And of course, they want this to be metal, and that wrench is part of the Diecast base. And look, 2009 copyright, so this came out in 2009 or 2010 for the first edition. So this one has been around for a little longer than I actually initially thought. This is HW Tools on the side with a bunch of like nuts on the side. And cyan, silver I think, and green on those. There's the front. There's the other side. There's the back. This is actually quite a cool car. I should get one of these for my dad. And we have, last but not least, the Minecart from Minecraft. This is probably my favorite edition of it so far. I'm so glad I scored this one. There was only one left. It's an HW Screen Time car. And you can see that nice little skeleton there. It's like pretty cool. I love Minecraft. It's a very good game. I used to play it a lot, but haven't played it in a while. But once I set up my new computer, I should be able to get it on Java or something. But I've always liked Minecraft. Minecraft has always been a good game for me, and I like the character cars from Minecraft. I just wish I scored the 2021 version of this Minecart. And as you may know, minecarts are the main form of transportation there, besides walking and losing all your hunger. So this has black aero disc wheels, and I am loving that design. that design is plastic, but holy cow, it's a thick plastic. And this is like pixelated, like grass, like a grass block. Very, very awesome. And I like the pixels. I don't know how they did that, but that's definitely awesome. I really like how they put all that detail into it. And you can see this is like kind of like a flexible rubber or something. And you can put a figure in there, like one of those ride-on figures. I guess if you really wanted to, you can add the aisle driver guy in there. He barely fits, but you can ride with him. Yeah, it's a very smooth roller, by the way. And a die-cast base on this one, Mojang, the creator of Minecraft. And it's the Minecart that came out in 2016. And you can literally just stick figures in there. It's kind of cool how they use this material on a Hot Wheels mainline car. But yeah, pretty awesome ride. I'm so glad I scored this one. This is a very desirable casting. Which car was your favorite in this video? Please leave a comment down below. Which one was your favorite? Personally, definitely the Ford Focus RS. Please subscribe to the channel for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.